Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Sandbox error code 0x80070057 when the Windows Sandbox failed to start. The parameter is incorrect. Would you like to submit feedback about this issue? So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in Windows Features, best match. Should come back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to make sure Hyper-V is turned on, so make sure that box is filled in. And then you also want to make sure virtualization is enabled in your system BIOS, as well as if you scroll down, make sure Windows Sandbox is turned on here. So if you're noticing this is grayed out, it might say Windows Sandbox cannot be installed. The processor does not have required virtualization capabilities, in which case you will not be able to install the Windows Sandbox on your Windows computer. Alternatively, you may have encryption software on your device. You may want to consider turning that off temporarily and seeing if that then allows you to access the Windows Sandbox. That is one further step I would take a look into, again, if you're using any encryption software. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.